Preston ulit. At today, papunta naman kaming York. And it's gonna be an exciting trip because I haven't been to York. So I don't have any expectations. But I'm quite sure that it's gonna be amazing. Although the weather is not that good kasi uulan actually. Pero pagdating namin doon around 11, hopefully matapos na yung ulan based from the weather report. Weather report? sa weather app, sabi niya 11 na matatapos yung ulan. Pero 11 din yung dating namin. So this train ride will take us about 2 hours from Preston, New York. And yeah, samahan niyo kami. Ayan guys, maaraw na sa labas. So, pumunta na kami ng The Shambles. Hintay ko lang yung friends ko na lumabas. So, ayan. I'll show you around. Ito nga pala kami nakastay sa Holiday Inn. Dito yan sa New York. And guys, ang ganda diba? So, nadaan lang kami dito sa bridge. Papunta ng The Shambles. Ayan lang, ang ganda. Very European. Diretso lang tayo. Papa naman ni Kuya. Naniniwala na ako sa forever. So ayan guys, kakain muna kami kasi anong oras na ba? 3:40 na. So baka magsara na yung mga tindahan ng pagkain. So gusto ko ng burrito. Feeling ko mag-ano ako. Smoked pork al pastor. Yes please. Tomato and
how's your day been today?
yes.
Chicken dog.
Sweet corn, cheese and coleslaw.
Yes, all of it.
Right.
Thank you, right?
You have a nice day.
Yeah, not too bad.
Sour cream, chipotle, hot sauce.
Can I try
Chipotle,
the
nice.
chipotle? Yeah. Thank you.
Do you want?
Awesome. Look at that.
It's just the hot dog, garlic sauce in it.
You got it, guys. Ang laki ng burrito. Para ako. Isang buong face ko na. Di ba pasaway? Alam nang nilalamig, nag-ice cream pa. Sa akin guys is pistachio and vanilla. So, total na binayad ko was 9 point something. That's for 2 ice creams. Parang malambot na siya.
Siguro 3 o'clock, pinatay na niya.
Parang may halong chocolate chip milk. Ginagawa niyo rin ba to? Ice cream and fries. Ang sarap, guys. Oo. Oh, thank you. Why do you guys close at 4?
Sorry?
Why do you guys close at
Why?
4?
I think it's just, I actually don't know, I think it was just the market shuts at that time,
Oh,
generally,
right.
all the stalls and that.
Yeah.
So, on Saturday we're open till 5:30 and they're
Yeah.
open till a bit later.
Okay.
But I'm not sure actually why.
Okay. I'm just curious because it's our
Weird,
first
innit?
time here. Yeah.
I'd always think that it'd be good for like tea time. but
Yeah, at least 5.
Yeah. Weird.
Right. Thank you. Sorry?
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Have a nice day then.
You've got a wool down
That's
here.
where it went.
Cheers. Di ba, makachika lang. Makontent lang si kuya. Kasi sa akin pala nakatuto. Ano ba yan? Maling angle. Sa akin pala nakatutok. Hindi siya nakita. Sige. True. Ay, bili tayo ng York ref magnet. Oh my god, ang lamig. Ayun na siya guys. Whew! Ang ginab. Let's try nating interviewin. Hi, I'm Marco. It's my first time in York and I'm quite curious. Why is everyone queuing?
So they're queuing for our shop, the Ghost Night.
Yes.
We
Do you
found-
mind if I have the video on?
That's all right. We're not
Okay.
allowed to. If that's all right.
Oh,
But,
okay.
So yeah, they're just handmade ornamental ghosts.
Right, okay.
It's like the souvenir to buy when you come to York.
Really? Okay.
Every single day. It's all right.
I bet. Yes. Yes.
It does the job nice. You can go have a look in the window if you like, man.
I will.
You don't have to queue.
Have you closed the queue now?
So there you go. So apparently this is the little ghost shop. And this is the souvenir to have whilst you're in York. So, hindi tayo makapila kasi last pila na yon. So guys, nagpabudol tayo. At ngayon nakapila na tayo dito sa Ghost Merchants. At bibili tayo ng maliliit na ghost na ceramics. Kasi ang daming nakapila. So, madali tayong mabudol. So, mapabudol tayo. So, ayan. Ang dami talagang nakapila. If you can see. So, pang ano tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pang 11 tayo. So, mabilis naman yung pila. Ayan. So, meron nagka-guide. Ayan guys, pang ilan na tayo sa pila? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, pang 7 na tayo sa pila. At nagpapapasok na sila kasi may lumabas na. Wow, ang dami yung nabili. Did you know about this before?
We saw something about it. Yeah.
Ah, right, okay. Where are you guys from?
We're from America.
Ah, okay. Where in the US?
In New York.
Oh, right, okay. Well, you're in Old York now.
Yeah, right. How about you? Are you from over here?
No, I'm actually from Devon. I'm not from York,
Okay.
but I live in Devon. I used to live in the US as well.
Oh, really? Where?
Yeah, I was in California and Utah. So, pang ano na tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, pang 4 na tayo. Tignan natin kung what's the hype about. So, apparently, this is something to buy. here in York. A must-have. So we'll learn more about the story of the shop and the little ghosts that they sell. Yeah. Cheers, thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi.
Is this your first time visitor?
Yes, it is.
Wonderful. Welcome to the York Ghost Merchants, a remarkable shop in a very haunted city. York is often called the city of 1,000 ghosts. So here you'll see a good number of hauntings with different colours, patterns that give them a spirit of their own. Is it £18 for the larger ghosts?
Yeah.
You'll see our littles down here, £9 for those that like
Right.
to congregate together. We have some unusual typed hauntings in the glass cabinets.
Right.
They're a bit more expensive as they do
Uh-huh.
take longer to make.
Okay.
Crates are available to carry your ghosts.
Okay.
And then here, behind you, is our wall of secrets and surprises.
Nice.
There's little peepholes to look in. One down there if you dare. Shambles here to place your ghost and take photographs of it haunting the little scene. There's a button to press, compartment to explore, other things
Awesome.
too.
Thank you
enjoy
so
the
much.
shop. Thank you very much.
These ones are more expensive. And ito yung mga tapos pwede daw tumingin dito. Ano ba? So many to choose from.
I know it's difficult to make a choice. We quite often say the ghost. Like 10 people away from here. Around the bar there. So what I did is I.
Hello.
Are you ready? Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll sleep well now. So your first visit. And the way it works.
Card, please.
£18 for the large.
Cheers, thank you so much.
Now we have
Thank you. Ayan guys, nakabili din tayo. We got our little ghost. Yay! Ayun na, kompleto na yung York natin kasi nakabili na tayo ng ghost natin. Di ba? Ang daming eclavor. So, asan yung mga kasama ko? Ayan guys, welcome back. So, time check, it's saktong 7 p.m. and we decided to try the ghost walk. So, mag-start siya at 7:30. So, excited na kami. Ghost stories. Ako lang ba? Pero nung high school ako, naaalala ko, mahilig ako magbasa nung Pinoy horror stories. Nakakailan ako noon. Tapos, hindi ako makatulog. Siyempre, takot-takot ako, no? Dati mahilig akong magbasa, tsaka manood, tsaka makinig ng mga ghost stories. Medyo tinigilan ko na kasi pag mag-isa ako, natatakot ako. So, ayun. Ang lesson, kailangan ko ng kasama. Anyway, so, hintay ko lang yung friends ko dahil may ginagawa lang sila. And then, punta na kami at pipila na kami para dun sa ghost walk. Dito yan sa York. At naghihintay kami dito sa May the Shambles. Right? See you in a minute! And guys, nag-i-start na yung ghost walk. So, ayan. Sige. kakatapos lang nung Ghost Walk. So, isang oras din yun. Ang saya kasi, you know, you learn about the ghost of York and merong bit of history. May a bit of comedy pa. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to film the whole thing. To preserve the stories and the business na rin ni Trevor. Shout out kay Trevor. Siya yung aming tour guide this evening. And thankful ako kasi he gave me permission to put out the first bit of his tour. So, thank you so much, Trevor. If I can find his link, I'm gonna link his page down in the channel. Anyway, so nandito kami ngayon sa Wagamama para mag-dinner. At afternoon, uwi na kami sa hotel. Para tomorrow, fresh na ulit kami at ready for another adventure. Dito pa rin yan sa York. Highly recommended si Trevor kasi ang kuwela lang niya tsaka maintindihan mo yung mga stories na kinukwento niya. First hand experience pa yung iba. So, baka mag-ramen lang ako tonight. Yeah. Or curry. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, balikan ko kayo mamaya pag kumakain na. See ya! Ayan. Korean babans. So ayan guys, after ng dinner, uwi na kami ng hotel at magpapahinga para ready na kami for tomorrow's another adventure. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel at welcome back to another day here in New York. This is our second day. So today, sumakay kami ng tour bus, hop off bus para maikot na rin yung York. So this one is actually 17 pounds for adults. Pero dahil NHS kami, meron kaming discount na 20%. Tapos, iikot to. It takes around an hour to finish the loop. But you're free to hop on and hop off. And then the bus comes in every 20 minutes. So, kung may oras ka na libutin lahat ng gusto mong puntahan, feeling ko sulit naman yung tour bus kung ayaw mong maglakad-lakad. Actually, normally, naglalakad lang ako pero dahil may kasama kaming bata. So, ayan. Kailangan namin mag-bus. So, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bus. So, ayan siya. Nandito kami sa taas. Ito yung second floor. Tapos, meron siyang bukas na part doon. Tapos, makikinig tayo sa kanilang narration. So, at the moment, nandito tayo sa tapat ng tower, which is this is the Clifford's Tower.
The mass suicide. You who tried to leave the burning castle were murdered by the mob.
So, kaya na sinabi ko kahapon,
Afterwards, some of the
York
rioters
reminds
destroyed
me
records of their deaths to the
vaguely of
Jews,
Edinburgh.
which had been placed in
I don't know, maybe
safekeeping at York
because of
Minster.
the
King Richard fined members of the city heavily.
Gaya
But some
ng
instigators
tower
escaped
na
and fled abroad.
Ayan guys, nag-start na yung tour. So, paalis na kami dito sa Clifford's Tower at saka dito sa museum.
An interesting feature to spot on this site. It has 4 floors. Left, you can see the gravestone of Dick Turpin, the infamous highwayman. Please watch out for low-hanging trees on the corner. He's not from the city, but he was executed in York in 1739.
Yeah, it's a highway robbery before being executed. Dick Turpin would not have been granted his notorious accounts tell of how they brutally tortured their victims.
Hi guys, nandito kami ulit sa City Center. Bibili lang sila ng ice cream kasi yung baby gusto ng ice cream. So ayan, this is the City Center. So na-enjoy nyo ba yung tour kanina? Hindi ako masyado nagsalita kasi gusto ko yung tour na yung magsasalita for me. So babalik kami dun sa tour bus after dito kasi sabi ko nga pwedeng bumalik anytime within the day, 24 hours in fact. Basta maghintay ka lang. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes for the next bus to arrive. But yeah. Guys, kung naaamoy nyo lang ang bango ng mga breads nila dito sa M&S. Ayan, iba-ibang klase. Hi guys! Ayan, upo muna tayo habang kumakain sila ng ice cream. Kabit natin tong mic. Ayan, nakabit natin yung mic. Ako, hindi muna ako mag-ice cream kasi mabigat pa yung tiyan ko at saka baka biglang sumakit. Although gelato naman siya. Pero ano, tubig muna tayo. That is so good.
Show it.
I'll just show it. Ayan guys, ang cute pa. Ayan oh, shape siya as flower. Ayan guys. Magkano to, Kas?
640.
640. Ayan, meron siyang dalawang flavor.
Tatlo yan.
Tatlo to. Ano? Chocolate?
Chocolate, coffee Arabiana.
Coffee Arabiana, chocolate, and
Dulce.
dulce de leche. Ayan, dito yan sa York City Center, Amorino, Gelato al Naturale. Gelato al Naturale. Ang sarap na. Gusto mo yan ah. Ang sarap guys.
Bad trip.
Charan! Meron din crepes. Ayan. Hindi rin ako nag-crepe. Busog pa ako from the breakfast. At saka bumibilog na yung mukha ko. Tapos, it adds 10 pounds pa sa camera. So far, yun na yung mga napuntahan natin sa York. Pagpasensyahan nyo na kung hindi masyadong ma-explore. Ako lang ba? Kasi usually, pag first time ko sa isang lugar, hindi ako masyadong aligaga. Yung kumbaga, I just wanna soak in everything. Yung hindi ako nagmamadali na papuntahan lahat. Para meron ka pang reason na bumalik ulit. Diba? So, relax muna. Tapos sa second time mo nang pumunta, feeling mo expert ka na kasi alam mo na yung mga lugar. Tapos dun ka mag-explore. Gusto niya rin ba malaman kung magkano yung nagastos namin? Importante ba yun? Magkano budget pag sa food? Pwede naman. So, ayan. So, puntahan namin yung Railway Museum at saka yung Gardens Museum. Exciting! Dito lang yan sa York. Abangan! At saka guys, dito sa York, ang daming gwapo. Parang yung dumaan, gwapo din yun. Parang di kami sanay makakita ng maraming gwapo. Kasi sa lugar namin, wala masyado. Tapos, marami ring mga turista na galing iba-ibang lugar. Anyway, so ang York pala is kilala sa paggawaan ng chocolates. So back in the days, dito nila ginagawa most of the chocolates that we know. Mga big brands. Before Nestle took over. Parang ganon.
Skeldergate Bridge, a street called Skeldergate front area bustling with activity.
Ayan guys, papunta na tayo sa Railway Museum. Dito yan sa York. So kung sasakay kayo ng tour bus, sa stop 20. Tapos, maglalakad lang ng konti through this tunnel. Ayan, Railway Museum. Woo! Sarap! Hi guys! Ayan na. So, start na kami mag-tour dito sa loob ng Railway Museum. Sunod lang kayo. This one is it's a commemorative plaque. Or naging ano, a scale model. Masaya. Uri ng trains. So ito ang gift shop nila. So ayan, meron din payong. So I'll get my mom one. Hello. York. So nakabili tayo ng pin, Station Master, Railway Museum, isang York, tapos isang York pa na parang ano, ano tawag yun? Pang station, pang train station. Ayan. I'm the Station Master. Balat natin yung ating pinamili. Siguro pasok na tayo sa isang train kasi pwede mo silang pasukan. Wonderlab. Wala tayong Wonderlab. My body is Wonderlab. It's the Wonderlab. Thank you. It's the Shinkansen. Shinkansen is the Japanese railway system. It used to be the fastest, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. That's it. Shinkansen.
It's amazing.
There you go. First-hand experience. So, sabi niya, amoy niya amoy smells like Japan. And looks like it. So this is Shinkansen. So like I said, it used to be the fastest train system in the world. Totoo ba? Is Shinkansen. Oh. It's not anymore. See, I knew that. So, it's not the Shinkansen anymore, but it's still the Japanese-made maglev trains, which can reach a speed exceeding to 600 kilometers per hour. The Shinkansen or the bullet trains typically only operates at a maximum speed of 320 kilometers per hour. So, almost doubled yung maglev. But still, that's quite fast, you know. 320 kilometers per hour. That's really fast. So, ayan. Nakapasok na tayo sa bullet train. Kas, ito na. Yan na yung fastest. The maglev. Ano na sila? Magnetic levitation. That was amazing. Now, punta naman tayo sa ibang mga bagon. So, kung makikita nyo, fun fact lang, that is Queen Elizabeth's insignia. So, ER. E2R. Elizabeth II pregnant. No, it wasn't. And then, ayan yung Royal Crown symbol. At ito isang typical na footbridge to help people cross the platform. Ayan. Ang laki ng mga train. See, parang it's dwarfing me. And then here we have, so just face from it, it says London, Paris, and Brussels Night Ferry. Ayan guys. Ngayon, lalabas na tayo kasi hindi na 5 minutes na lang daw magsasara na. So, pasensya na, hindi ko kayo naikot ng malala dito sa railway train museum. Meron pa mga trains banda ron. Ayan. Narinig niyo ba ako? Cut ko na yung vlog dito kasi malapit na kami umuwi and wala na kaming masyadong gagawin. It's 5 p.m. and our train is due to arrive at 7. So, ayan. So, ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa ano nga ulit? Clifford's Tower. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan siya guys. Ayan mga tao pala dito. Ayan, magpipicturean muna tayo, ha? Bakit muna ako? So, ayan siya. Ayan. Sobrang liwanag. So, this is the York Castle. Oh, it's closed. Closed na guys. So dito guys, tanaw mo buong square na to. Ayan. Totoo na ba yung pagtatapos to? Okay. Tingnan natin guys.
And then you've got a week, a month.
Downstairs. There you go. So ito naman. Ayan guys, so see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Paalam. Stay beautiful, stay you.